welcome to this interesting discussion. Today we have with us a very special guest on this podcast, that's Devina. You all have met her earlier, but today in this discussion, Devina, I would like you to tell everyone first of all what is this book about, and second, read something from your book. So please go ahead. What is this book all about?
It's an anthology which contains different genres and is most importantly fiction. It has 9 stories and the most common thing about all of the 9 stories are that they leave a thought after you read them.
And it really inspires you also, isn't it? Yes. Also, one of the most common feedback that we have got for Devina's book, because it's been a while it has been launched, is that a lot of people are, finding it very crisp to read, and also they take back a lot of information from the book. So, Devina, you've also spoken about various morals in the stories, right? Where did you think of? मम्मी पापा से डिस्कस करते हुए मिला, खुद ने ऑब्जर्व किया, हाउ इज इट?
I have observed.
You have observed. Devina was like, ये मेरा credit है completely. So how did you go about it? Like, if you thought there was something and then you started writing on it?
Yes.
Yes. Do you want to read something for our viewers, something from the book that you really like? It's the toughest part to pick out which is your favorite part, isn't it? Go ahead.
Mission Mars is a success. As you can see, the group of astronauts have taken off live. Our channel will keep you updated about Mission Mars. The voice comes from the TV. The families of astronauts on the mission watch it together, being proud of their daughter, son, friend, mother, father, etc. Sometime later, they landed. Let's go. Is everyone ready? Says Sally, the control of room in charge. Everyone replies yes.
I think that's quite interesting. We also have Devina's father with us today. Sir, welcome. And what are your thoughts on the book?
First of all, it's she has done a really commendable job on such a young age, and she has done a lot of hard work and very thoughtfully written this book. So I would request every viewer to go at least for once, and it's not about kids. It's a must-read book for everyone, every age group, all across. So please go and read this book. Thank you.
I think that was an amazing chit chat with Devina. Thank you so much for being with us. And we just want to conclude this with a small felicitation from Mithas. Can I have the cap, please? So we really want you to keep on writing, Devina, in the future. This is a small token from us to you. Author cap. Congratulations and keep writing. Thank you so much, folks. You can grab the book from Amazon, Flipkart or Meesho. Check out the description for the links. Thank you so much.